Let's start with, are you reading closely and looking? Let's circle the question mark and go back to the beginning of the sentence. It says, which of these figures do not appear to be a rhombus, trapezoid, rectangle, or square? Let's cross out the R and the U and let's read the details. It says, a group of figures is shown. And here are the figures. If you don't know, figures means shape. So let's circle some more clue words. The question says, which of these figures do not appear or look like a rhombus, trapezoid, rectangle, or square? What time is it? It's three-step time. What should I do first? The main idea. We're going to write down which one of these does not look like those shapes that it listed. In the details, I'm going to write down what shapes it shouldn't be. So I know that we're not looking for a rhombus. We're not looking for a trapezoid. We're not looking for a rectangle. And we're not looking for a square. So now that I wrote down the shapes that we're not looking for, I think it would be really helpful for us to label our pictures and eliminate our answer choices. So that's going to be our strategy. So let's go up here and let's label the pictures. And maybe we can use these as a guide to help us. So the first shape kind of looks like a diamond. Every time you see a shape that looks like a diamond, it's going to be a rhombus. Just think of that square that was rammed by the bus. So let me label this as a rhombus. This shape is a trapezoid because it looks like a volcano that you could get trapped inside of. Remember that trapezoids have a long side and a short side, and they have one set of parallel lines that never cross. That's a trapezoid. And this shape right here is a rectangle because this side is a lot longer than this side. It looks like a stretched out square. I'm going to label that as a rectangle. And this shape, well, I don't really know what it is, but I do know that it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So I'm just going to call it a quadrilateral because a quadrilateral is a shape that has 4 sides. And I know that this shape is a square because all sides are the same. They are the same size, same shape, and so all sides are congruent. So it says here that I'm not looking for a rhombus. Here's a rhombus. Do I need it? No. So let's cross it off. I know I'm not looking for a trapezoid. Here's a trapezoid. Do I need it? No. Let's cross it off. It says here that I'm not looking for a rectangle. Here's a rectangle. I don't need it. Let's cross it off. And it says I'm not looking for a square. So I'm going to cross off this square. That only leaves figure Y, which is right there. So let's look to see which of these could be the answers. Figure V, W, X, and Z. No, none of those are Y. Let's cross it off. B, figures W and Y. Well, it does have figure Y, but figure W is a trapezoid, and we did not want a trapezoid. So let's cross it off. That makes B wrong. Oh, C says figure Y only. That's true. That's the only one that we were looking at. So let's check and let's put an M. And D says figures V, X, and Z. No, none of those are ones that we need to look at. Our answer for that one is C.